Hey, it's Nagasha Dena, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. So, I just added lip scrub in our collection, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make lip scrub at home or in case you want to join the business. After making sure that everything you're going to use and the place you're going to use is clean and sanitized, all you need is sugar, and have my melted butter and oils already. So I'm going to pour it in the sugar and then mix them through. The reason why I actually did some stuff off camera is simply because I had no one to help me film, so I had to use one hand to film and then use one hand to mix. And just a quick reminder, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. So with this particular lip scrub, I need 2 drops of strawberry. Make sure you mix everything very well for the melted butter and the oils to dissolve well in sugar. Yes, and that's it. Make sure you mix and mix and mix, and then guys, don't forget to subscribe again. So you have to mix until you see that sugar has absorbed oils and the melted butter plus the flavor of your choice very well. Yeah, and that's it. If you, in case you want to join the business or want to do it at home, I hope this video is really helpful to you. And thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing as well. I hope we meet in the next video.